Hello, this is iMobi. This function will help you how to add subtitles quickly with FocuSee. First, open the software, click History, find the video to which you need to add subtitles, click Edit. Then find Captions in the toolbar. There are three options here: Nano, Basic, and Pro. Select Language. Our software can automatically detect the needs of your video. Click Generate Captions, and then the software will automatically generate it. It will take some time, so please wait patiently. After completion, you can check whether the subtitles are correct in the toolbar on the right and modify them. You can click Style to modify the position of the subtitles. Bottom, middle, top. You move this progress bar to change the specific position, such as any position in the upper section. Move here can change the size of the captions. After the settings are completed, click Back. These are three captions options. If you need to modify the captions again, you can click Export Captions. Regenerate Captions. If you need to regenerate captions, you can click here. After the captions are completed, you can preview them first, and then click Export Video in the upper right corner to complete.